Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell button for further notifications.
Hi friends, welcome to Hobbychuku TV. This is me Pranath. Today I am going to show you how to make greeting cards using empty matchboxes. Now let's get into the video. The materials required are double tape, scissors, glue, paintbrush, paint, empty matchbox, color paper, some materials for designing and water. First we have to remove the top layer of the matchbox. After removing, the matchbox will look like this. Now I am going to cover the matchbox with paper using glue. After covering, I am going to trim the edges. I have trimmed all the edges. Now keep it aside for 5 minutes to dry. Now in the meantime, let us color the inner box. I have selected the deep brilliant purple. I have painted the inner box completely. Give it some time to dry. In the meantime, I am going to decorate the outer box. Now I'm going to decorate this part using color paper drops. Now I am going to use little bit of glue and add one more layer. Now our top part is ready. Now we are going to do the inner part. It is completely dried now. Now let's decorate it. Here I have used two double-sided tape to give it a nice embossed look. Now I am going to decorate it using some pearls. Now I have decorated the inner box too. Now our Independence Day gift card using Matchbox is ready. I have also made few more designs. Hope you like this video. Please try this at home and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you friends next time. Bye.